Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So we have another package from INTO RESIN. Super excited to see the molds that I received. So I'm going to open the package now. And now I'm going to take out the molds one by one. So the first one was a big one and this is the second package. And now I'm going to see the molds that I have received. So this is a small mold. I'm not going to open each of them, but they have written on them, these are baby shoes. I have few ideas and I will show you as we go. So they were very cute. And then we have this one. It is a large flower mold. Super excited about this one also. Actually, I am always excited when I receive molds from INTO RESIN. I don't know which one is this one. I'm going to open it and we will see what mold it is. Whenever I see these bags, they look so amazing and I'm kept all of them. I'm going to use them someday. So it is such a stunning turtle mold. Looking forward to make this one. And then I'm going to open this big one. So the amount of silicone used in making these molds, I'm so amazed with them, and the details they capture, just wow. So this is a lovely crystal mold and I will be showing you each one of them in different videos, but for today I think I will be using this big one. So this is the one. It is a trinket dish. I can see that it is a heart shaped and some roses inside, and definitely I think I'm going to make something with this mold today. So let's start. So here I'm going to open the molds. So here we go, the molds are out now and I'm going to use Resincrete for making this mold. So this is the Resincrete. It is an eco resin. You need 30 grams of powder and 10 grams of liquid if you are mixing, but I'm using it a lot, so I do eyeball. I'm going to mix you can say the liquid on a bit thinner side because this mold has very tiny details. I'm not going to mix it very thick, otherwise the details will be missing. So here I'm mixing it. Just make sure that you don't have any lumps. So mixing is really important. Take your time, but also be careful because it do start hardening as well. So you need to take care of everything now. So after mixing, I am going to use this brown color. So these colors are by Resincrete as well. So these are meant to use with Resincrete. So here I'm going to add the color. So slowly by slowly, I'm going to add until I'm happy with the desired color that I want. So it's an autumn season and it is getting cozy. So I think there's something in between the brown and latte color, I think. Just a soft color. So that's what I'm going for. Here I'm happy with the color. Now I'm going to add this very slowly into the mold. So I wanted to get a marble effect, but I knew that this is a very, you can say, intricate mold, so I might have the effect, but we can't see this. But still I just tried. So I put a little amount of Resincrete into the mold, and then I'm going to put this aside. Before that, I'm going to do a little bit of tapping so the bubbles rise. So these are a few important steps that you have to take care of. And then I'm going to add some more. I'm not going to fill this all the way. I will let this settle a little bit on the side. And after that, I'm going to fill this one. And now some tapping on the sides. So these molds are a bit heavy, so that's why I didn't pick them up a lot. So after doing the tapping, I'm going to fill this up. And then the rest will I will be filling the lid. And after filling this up, I will leave this to hard for around, you can say, 30 minutes to an hour. So after 1 hour, I'm going to remold these. So now I'm really excited also, and a bit on the nervous side, because it is very intricate mold. I don't want to break any of the roses. I hope everything comes out nicely. The mold is super friendly, so yeah, it did help a lot in removing it out of the mold. And here we go, it is out of the mold, and you can see it is actually on the mold is on the matte side, and these are the tiny roses. I'm really happy how they turned out. And then on to the second part. And it is out of the mold. I'm really happy I didn't break anything. It's all in one piece. And here we go, it is so lovely. Just loving this. So you can use different colors. I can see a very beautiful red during the Valentine's Day, during with a golden highlight, or if you want to highlight or not, or you can go with different color shades also. This was a practice one, so I just went with one color, but I'm still loving it. The flowers are lovely on its own, but I want to do a little bit of highlight to them, so that's the reason I'm going to use the brass alcohol ink and then the copper alcohol ink by Pinata. I'm going to mix both of these inks, and then I'm going to dab with the help of my finger. I'm going to dab it onto the roses. And in this way, I will be picking little bit of color, and I'm just going to do the highlight to whole of the trinket dish. So I did the highlight and it's done. On to the next step. So actually I made a trinket dish, then I thought I'm going to change this into a candle. So instead of pouring the candle that we normally do, I use these candles, and this is so fun to use. Whatever vessel you want to use, you just pour these and then add the wick and it is ready to go. Such a friendly way of making a candle. And this is the candle set. So this is the wick it comes with, and you just cut the size you want. I think this much is enough. And then you just simply put this. If you want to add 2 3, it's really up to you. I'm going to just go with one in the center, and then I'm going to light this with a lighter. And you are good to go. Such a lovely way of making a candle, and it is super easy. And then when you are happy with your candle, if you are not using it, just blew it up and just remove the wick. Just shuffle it a little bit and everything comes back to level. Before that, I'm just showing you, it is looking so pretty. I'm just loving it. don't worry, I will show you what candle scent I use, so keep on watching the video. But I'm really happy with this, so I will add all the links in my description with the discount code of 20% from INTO RESIN. I have a lot of videos from their molds, and believe me, their molds are so amazing, something to have with you. So this is the candle scent that I use. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.